haven't shown you our home yet. So this is our bedroom. Before we slept in the front room, but we realized that this bed is bigger, so we chose this one. And this right here is where we keep all the electronic stuff. Blenders, everything charging. And the little panel, which don't ask me about. It's not my area of expertise. The radio and whatnot, backgammon boards. This is the living room where we do our living. Little fruit nets. This is the kitchen, which I just cleaned this morning, so it looks quite alright. And this is the other room, which is the spare room right now. We have the old sails, shoes, backpacks, fishing gears, and in here we have the first bathroom. And moving along here, we have the second bathroom. And the bunk room, which 2 people can sleep in. And this is our front room, aka our wardrobe at the moment. We're gonna fix a better solution for all our coats, but as for now, they're all here. Yoga mat, cupboard.
Hey.
Do you want to show them our home?
I would love to. Up here is basically where we spend a lot of our time while we're sailing. This is our cockpit. Most boats have 1 wheel. Our boat fortunately has 2 and allows a bit of access around this area.
Yep.
Got Johnny behind us.
Johnny!
It's our ever trusty little tender and engine.
Good one.
Not very powerful, but does the job.
Let's take us from point A to point B.
She gets us done. And then Breezy. Breezy is sometimes our worst enemy or our best friend, depends on how we're feeling with her.
Oh, he's working a little bit now.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, so Breezy is our wind generator, as well as the solar panel. We are self-sufficient. We are absolutely self-sufficient with power. We do have to fill up on water every now and again. But yeah, no, absolutely, this is the way to live, I reckon.
Yeah,
just kind of
very sustainable.
Off the grid, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. Come up the front.
Yeah.
So we got our port sheet line, which runs to our jib. We got our mainsail here, which is furled up in the mainsail. Some boats have sails that kind of sit on the boom, but ours is quite easy. It kind of just sits in the masthead. We've got a hatch to the main cabin, and we've got a hatch to the forward cabin, and anchor, jib, snubbers on. So we're set in place. We've got 50 meters of chain out, and we're in complete sand. I dived on the anchor the other day.
Beautiful. And that's our home.
This is it. This is how we live. This is how we enjoy life.
Yeah. This is how we sail from one blue bay to the next, discovering old wrecks, palm trees, coconuts.
I'm yet to get a coconut, but
oh, yeah.
that's on
that's
the
on
to-do
the
list. It's on the list.
Turtles, dolphins, whales.
It's a good time.